Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for Science 6, Quarter 3, Week 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which statement best describes gravity? A. A force that pushes objects upward. B. A force that pulls objects toward Earth. C. A force that stops all movement. D. A force that made only by heavy objects. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. What happens when you throw a ball upward? A. It stays in the air forever. B. It suddenly disappears. C. It goes up, slows down, then falls back. D. It moves sideways. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3. Which situation shows gravity acting on an object? A. A notebook sliding on a smooth table. B. A leaf falling from a tree. C. A wheel turning because of a motor. D. A fan blowing wind. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Why does a ball roll faster on a steep road? A. There is less air. B. Gravity pulls it downward more strongly. C. The ball becomes heavier. D. The road becomes smoother. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5. When two objects of different weights are dropped at the same time, what usually happens? A. Only the heavier one falls. B. Both fall downward. C. The lighter one floats upward. D. Neither moves. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. Which best shows friction? A. A book sliding on a rough floor stops quickly. B. A balloon floating in the air. C. A stone falling straight down. D. A leaf blown by the wind. The correct answer is letter A. Number 7. Which surface has the most friction? A. Ice. B. Smooth tile. C. Rough cement. D. Glass. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. What happens to speed if friction is reduced? A. Speed increases. B. Speed stops. C. Speed disappears. D. Speed becomes zero. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. Why is it harder to climb a hill than walk on flat ground? A. Gravity pulls you downward. B. There is no air on a hill. C. Hills are smoother. D. Hills remove friction. The correct answer is letter A. Number 10. Which object will fall to the ground due to gravity? A. Smoke. B. Paper thrown upward. C. Light from a flashlight. D. Heat from a stove. The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. Gravity pulls all objects toward the center of Earth. This statement is true. Number 12. Friction always makes objects move faster. This statement is false. Number 13. A rock falls faster than a feather only because of air resistance. This statement is true. Number 14. Without gravity, objects would float around. This statement is true. Number 15. Sliding on rough surfaces creates more friction. This statement is true. Number 16. A car going downhill moves faster because of gravity. This statement is true. Number 17. Friction can help prevent slipping. This statement is true. Number 18. Gravity pulls objects upward. This statement is false. Number 19. Air resistance slows falling objects. This statement is true. Number 20. Friction is not needed in walking. This statement is false. Directions. Identify the correct term for each statement. Number 21. The force that pulls objects downward. The correct answer is gravity. Number 22. The force that slows movement when two surfaces rub. The correct answer is friction. Number 23. The upward movement of a thrown object before falling again. The correct answer is upward motion. Number 24. The force that slows falling objects in the air. The correct answer is air resistance. Number 25. A force that can help prevent slipping. The correct answer is friction. Number 26. Type of surface that produces more friction. The correct answer is rough surface. Number 27. Type of surface that produces less friction. The correct answer is smooth surface. Number 28. The direction objects fall because of gravity. The correct answer is downward. Number 29. The road where a ball will roll faster, steep or flat. The correct answer is steep. Number 30. The road where a ball will roll slower, steep or flat. The correct answer is flat. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.